hands-free on the way to the beach for the full rainbow action. So now it starts there, goes up, and all the way over. Pretty awesome. Drive in to find the, what is it, Carter, a pot of gold?
End of the rainbow.
End of the rainbow. August 25th, big day here at 10305 First Avenue. We're running the electric for the electric car, and we're off to the races. I have the two mics. Mics, you guys come say hi to the crowd here. They are gonna hook me up. So this car is gonna get powered directly from the solar. Tell us the plan. You're going to cut the hole there and then
so we're going to
through.
drill through here. That gets us into the crawl space, right? And then we're going to send through our 10-3. 10-3 gauge is good for 30 amp. Fit the 30 amp plug.
Perfect.
Right. So,
and then this end of it goes right into my car. So that's the Tesla connection.
Yep.
There, that's perfect. So if we walk.
So we'll mount the outlet right here. The outlet will be weather resistant. It'll have a cover so that this can stay plugged in with the cover over top of it at the same time.
Oh, great.
We'll run the wire up and over to the panel, hook it onto a 30 amp breaker, and then we're off and running.
And that's going to go under this crawl space all the way through. And it looks like you've cleared. So this is the cable that's coming across. Looks like you have enough juice. And then up in here, this is the solar inverter system, but we've shifted out the washer and dryer to be able to access the panel right here, to be able to run the electric down into the crawl space. It's going to go around the corner and feed what will be the supply to power the car from the sun. Be great.
So you can work it over to the panel.
So getting in this crawl space is no bargain. I've been in there before.
It's just the entrance. Once you get in there, it's not too bad, you know?
Is it higher once you get in?
It's a little bit higher, yeah. It's just this entrance part's real tight.
Super excited. Cable is in. This is a 10-3 and it has the ability to power the charge. So what's going to happen is the box will be tied up to here. It's going to be able to let me plug this in to the outlet and this into the car. Now, if you come take a look closer, the dial is moving towards the beach, which means we're net power positive. We're literally creating more electricity than we have the demand, which is great. So you strip the wire back and then it actually feeds up through this, which is weatherproof. It's basically a plastic, right, that prevents the moisture from getting in there.
Kind of like that PVC conduit back there.
Surf Electric delivering once again. Mike, look at that big smile. I love it.
Yep.
Okay, so now show me how this works. So I pop it from the bottom?
Yep, pop from the bottom. You'll plug it right in.
I just literally pull this from the trunk.
Yep.
Get that guy going right there. And then I just give it enough of a push to really just clamp it in.
You can keep it closed
while it's
Rain
charging. That's great, perfect. Okay, we're gonna give it a little test drive. Literally test drive. So I'm gonna let you take your own tools back, but I'll pull up in a second. So is there anything else?
The breaker on. I gotta put a little duct seal around here, and then that'll be it.
Great. Our electric vehicle charging outlet is live. Now, car's already pretty charged. It goes up to 250 mile range, so I like to keep it usually right around 200, but I have just a little extra room for this demo. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up in the driveway and we will see how easy this is. So I come right up here. I'm just gonna go past it right there. And then I'm gonna take the Tesla charge cable, and I bought the adapter. That's for this outlet. This is the 30 amp service. So it's not quite as fast as the 50 amp, but plenty, because I'm basically just leaving it overnight. So what I do is I just lift this up like that, and then right inside here, you'll be able to see that outlet. And I take the plug I just push it right in there with my hand. So get it nice and snug in there. Then come right over here. Pop that right inside. Bright sunny day in August. There's the car. Solar on the roof, juicing the vehicle. What I did is I coiled the line right around the housing for the outlet just to clean it up a little bit. And super excited, getting the electricity. Let's see how we are on the charging. Just a couple minutes to go. And this will actually charge at 25 to 30 miles in an hour. It'll be typically 3 to 5 hours, depending, to get 100 miles added to the range. So we're in pretty good shape there, and could not be happier with the guys from Surf Electric that ran this line all the way from the crawl space through to the panel box that's on the other side of the house here, up in that kitchen. Overall, pretty cool. What's your tool of choice, Cal? Yeah, cardboard-like thing here. I always used to hold my slides together. And came in handy for eating key lime pie.
That's good. Oh, there's the slides that Mom got you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, those are good. Hold up the logo so we can really get a sponsorship from Adidas. I think that would be a rare chance that they would feel that was a brand enhanced placement for the product placement.
Yeah,
It's basically packaging. I like that though. And what do you have? What kind of pie is that?
Key lime.
Key lime pie. Okay, coming back from the beach, key lime pie in the mouth via Adidas slide holder. Let's see it. It's a pretty good sized bite. I like to support the creativity, the adaptive reuse of the packaging material as an eating implement. Good work, Cal. You're learning from Dad.